So it all starts with main or master branch, and generally we don't directly work on master branch. Then how we do it? We create a dev branch from master, and from dev, we can create as many as feature branch as per our requirement. So basically, let's say one developer is working on feature 1, then he or she can create feature branch 1. Similarly, another developer can create feature 2 branch. Now let's try to understand lifecycle of any feature with the help of developer 2, who is working on feature 2. First, developer will do final commit and merge the changes into dev branch. These latest changes should be picked up by developer 2, so he or she pull the changes. Now let's say we are good to release solution for testing with whatever we have in dev branch. We create a release branch, let's say release v1. This release branch is created to isolate release changes. Now, let's say as part of testing, we got some bugs. So we fix that and merge it back to dev branch as well so that it is visible to all developers working in our team. Now developer 1 can pull this bug fix as well to later on avoid any missing commit. Now let's say we are good with release branch as well. We merge it to master branch, which is production branch. And we merge this commit to dev branch as well to make things in sync. And we are good with go live. But life is not that easy and we often get bugs on production as well. So we provide hotfixes for that. So for that, we create a hotfix branch from master. We do the changes and merge it back to master branch. We increment the minor or patch version as per the nature of fix, and then perform the same drill to merge everything in dev to make things in sync. Similarly, developer 1 who was working on feature 1 can perform the same steps. This is how Git Flow looks like in real life scenario.